Priya, why don't you walk me through your CV? So, what is a credit note? So, what do you know about Procure-to-pay? Which company do you want to join? So, what do you like about genpact? How do you know what kind of working environment genpact has? You never worked here. Why do you want to join Accenture? What do you mean by two-way matching? Okay, so Priya, why don't you walk me through your CV?
So, in which I have introduced myself.
Yes.
Um,
Whenever they will ask you, walk me through your CV or introduce yourself or tell me something about yourself, you need to introduce yourself.
okay, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Priya, and I have done my BCom in 2022 from Delhi University. I am skilled in SAP, Tele, Busy, and also having a good knowledge in Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. I am currently working in Elegant Technosoft on client basis. And my client is Spinner Industries, who is manufacturing the hydraulic items, engineered products, and automotive items, in which my role is accounts payable executive, and I am the responsible person for creating the vendor with FS00 and processing the invoice with the FD60 and F-43, and making the payment manual payment with F-53 and uh, making the processing the credit notes with FD65 and and you're not audible, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. And I'm all and I all resolve the and I'm also resolve the queries of vendors from related to payments, invoices, and any other reasons. That's all,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So, what is a credit note?
So credit note is the document which when the when we return the any item to the vendor, then we issue the credit note.
Okay. So, do we issue the credit note or vendor issue the credit note?
So vendor issued the credit note to us, and we issued the debit note to the vendor.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you know about procure to pay?
So procure to pay starts with purchase requisition
Mm-hmm.
and ends with payments to vendor. It contains followed with purchase order,
Mm-hmm.
goods receipt, invoice verification. Purchase requisition is the request from a department or a employee to buy a goods and services, and purchase order is a document which is issued by the buyer to the supplier, which is issued by the to the supplier, and it contains order number, order date, items, quantity, rate, and all and all and goods receipt. When we receive the goods when we receive the goods, the storekeeper issued us a GRN. With when we received a GRN, then we pass the entry with the help of keyboard MyGo, and the entry was inventory account debit to GRIR account. And then we verify the invoice with the two-way matching and three-way matching with the help of T-code Myro. And the entry was in when GRIR account debit to vendor account. And the last step is payment made to vendor. Um, Before paying the vendor, we make sure the vendor payment terms and our bank balances. Then we pay to the vendor.
Okay. Which company do you want to join?
Sir, I want to join genpact and Accenture,
Okay, any of these. Okay, so
PwC department.
why do you want to join Genpact?
So genpact is a well-known organization.
Mm-hmm.
Hello,
Yeah,
I'm
please tell
audible,
me.
sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Genpact is well-known organization. Everyone wants to work with them. So, and I believe that I grow my experience and grow my knowledge to work with Genpact. So that's why I want to join Genpact.
Okay, so what do you like about Genpact?
So the working environment and the eco-friendly, the working environment and
Okay, but how do you know what kind of working environment Genpact has? You never worked here. Then how do you know it?
when I research on the website, then the photos and videos that I showed, that's why it's shown.
Okay, no issue. Good cover up. Okay, so why do you want to join Accenture?
So Accenture is also well known organization, and
Mm-hmm.
uh, um, this is my second dream job because firstly I preferred the Genpact and then I want to go the Accenture because the their working are also I can't explain it.
Okay, so what do you mean by two-way matching?
Two-way matching. So two-way matching is a comparison between two documents, which includes the vendor invoice and GRM.
Okay.